Film award?
For children,
For children.
about children, and you are doing one item number, I would say, because it's a film where obviously it's a film for children, so you couldn't have had item number like we have in all other films. So it's a sort of an item number for children which they'll enjoy, which they'll love to see. How do you feel about it? What is the reason that you decided to do this?
Yeah, reason I decided to do this song is because it's a children film first. Okay. The reason I'm doing this song is because just it's a children film. Also, it's a 3D plus. First time it's a more technically advanced film. And also my friend Ganesh Acharya is doing the choreograph. 3 reasons.
What was the reason that you decided?
That's what these are the reasons. Because it's a children film and 3D plus and Mr. Ganesh Acharya.
Is it your love for children that made you do something for the kids? Because obviously in this industry we don't have anything for children which is made specifically only for children.
Yeah, definitely. That's the reason I'm telling. 3 reasons. For children also. That's it.
You choreographed this song yourself. There was this hugely popular song, Hey Saraswati Now, what was the reason that you're not choreographing a song yourself for this song? Why Ganesh Acharya? Is that maybe magical?
It's nothing. When they called, actually I was busy in South, only I have no dates. Also, Ganesh Acharya is a very good friend. Also, my style and dancing, his style will be different, no? So better for the people also, some different style. Yeah, I am enjoying it. Nice feeling. I'm happy.
And what is the theme of the song that you're currently shooting?
It's a theme that everybody must be united. Don't do fight something. Just love each other and be happy. That's it.
There's a new girl who's making a demo for this film. And you're a popular dancer, you're an experienced dancer, you're an experienced actor. How do you feel working with a newcomer? Especially when it comes to dance, because I'm sure she would not dance.
But in this song, it's only myself and group are dancing in this song. This song is like that.
What do you feel about it? What is the USP of it?
First, when Dhirajji told about the film, excited, he showed something in his office. It's nice. It's a different film, no, from others. That's why I also accepted and did. It's a very different film for children. It's fun film. It's full of fun.
This is a film which is 3D plus, which is being introduced for the first time in
Yeah.
Is there a difference that you work for 2D film? Is there a difference between working for a 2D film and working for the 3D plus film?
Yeah, it's really different because of the camera also. It's a double camera. You must have seen that, I think. It's a double camera. Other than that, everything is same, but for us, more for cameraman and director, it's difficult, I think, believe. For actors, that's true. For 4-5 days I am acting. That's nothing difference between. But when they are seeing, it will be different.
But did you have to make any special preparations because it's a different format?
That's what, not for us, for director and cameraman, they must make preparation, I think.
How do you feel working with Ganesh Acharya?
I have already worked with Ganesh Acharya. Already worked. In Shakti, he is very nice, no, to work with others. We are very good friends.